Hey friends, if you encounter software protection platform service Sppsvc.exe causing high CPU usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable the software protection service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the software protection service. Okay. Right click on it and then select start, because it will be stopped by default. And if it is started already, then right click on it and then select properties. And then if you have the option to disable it, you can disable it as well. But you know what, a lot of times it is already stopped. The next one is to run a full system antivirus scan. Now I'll tell you why. Because a software protection service, as the name suggests, protects software products. And when antivirus products attack your system, then they will, what do we say? They will trigger the software protection service, and they will keep battling this causing high CPU usage. So it is advisable to run a full system antivirus scan. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to the virus and threat protection tab, select scan option, select full scan, and then click on scan now. The last solution is to check the Windows activation key, whether that is correct or not, and I'll tell you a good method for it. Search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for show key plus and hit enter. Then go to show key plus, click on open, and it will open the software in a while. It will need a few seconds, and check the key here whether it is genuine or not. Okay. And if it is genuine, then the problem should actually be solved by then. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.